how to place two vertical videos, one on top of the other inside Vegas Pro, and how to show only the required portion, let's say the top or the bottom or the center of that video. Okay, so select two clips and drag and drop them onto the timeline of Vegas. We have to place them one on top of the other, so right click on the timeline, insert video track. That track was added. Now drag, let's see, the second clip up and its audio down. Move it there. You can even crop the end if you want. Now go to the event pan crop button of the first clip. Click on that one. Let's see what to show. Let's say that train, which is somewhere in the upper portion of the clip. Move that keyframe there and click on it, because if you have two keyframes it will create a transition between them, so work only on that one. If I move this, notice the video is moving here but it's not moving there, so click on that sync cursor and now what you see here, it's shown there also. So let's move that train higher by moving this portion lower. It's weird, but that's how it works in Vegas. You can hold down the shift key and then it will jump exactly to the sides, something like that. If you move this one and your object, let's say your train, is not moving, then make sure here at source this stretch to fill frame is set to yes, because if it's set to no, you move this one and notice the train there, it's not moved, only the sides are moved. So stretch to fill frame has to be on yes. Okay, so position the train up there somewhere, hold down the shift key so that it will jump to the sides. Now we have to get rid of the lower portion of this video. To do that, come here to this FX plus icon, select that crop and click OK. If you move that Y crop, notice it is cutting down both the top and the bottom. We need to crop down only the bottom portion, so double click on this one to reset it. Move that yellow dot on the bottom up. Now it's not cutting down the top also, and notice that number is moving. So if I bring it down and type in 0.5, press enter, then this will go to the center, so press enter. Okay, so we just cropped, or with another word, deleted the lower portion of that video. Now close that window and then go to the event pan crop of the second clip. And this one also has a train, but the train should be moved down. Move that keyframe onto the playhead. The playhead will go away. So somewhere there. Now click on that keyframe and hold down the shift key and move it, let's say, up so that the train will go down, something like that. So this stretch to fill frame has to be a yes in order to move the contents here, as it is moved right now. And that's it. We just placed two vertical videos, one on top of the other. The top video's lower portion was cut off, and the top portion of this video is hidden because it is below that track. So the top one is shown and this is hiding the contents of that one. That's why we cropped down the lower portion of this one, which was here. That was cropped, and we just moved the contents of this one down, and the lower portion is outside, so that's why it's not visible.